Welcome to our tutorial series. In this video, we will be going through how to view conditions and what they mean. Hit a roadblock on your learning adventure. This might be due to certain conditions set within your course. In this tutorial, we will go over common conditions, learn how to identify them, and provide methods on how you can strategize actions to keep your learning journey smooth and uninterrupted. So, let's buckle up and decode this puzzle together. Remember, a journey is made up of blocks. Each block can have a number of activities. Conditions can be found within blocks and activities, and sometimes this may include more than one. Here's a quick tip. A lock icon indicates a condition has been assigned to the course. Hover over the icon to reveal its associated conditions. Now, let's learn more about the most common ones you may encounter. 1. Available after you have been granted explicit access. Sounds like a VIP pass, right? Well, to unlock this block, you need your learning administrator to grant you access. So, drop them a message. 2. Available after an activity is finished. It's like a treasure hunt. You need to complete the fun fact activity before you can move on to the next activity or block. 3. Available after all activities in a block have been finished. Think of it as a level in a game. You need to complete all the activities under the different types of conditions block before you can progress. 4. Available after an activity is passed. This one's a bit of a challenge. You need to pass the assessment before the next activity becomes available. Remember, each assessment or quiz can offer you either one or multiple attempts to get it right. This is usually combined with a set pass rate. You can view the number of attempts you have below an assessment or quiz. For example, you might need to get a score of 80% or higher to progress forward and only have 2 chances to achieve that score. Thank you so much for watching. There are more tutorial videos available to you on our channel. If you would like to know more about something specific or have recommendations of a tutorial you would like to see, feel free to comment down below. Like and subscribe for more.